Hello everyone! Today, we will be sharing with you our entry for the creative output. We chose to create the creative symbol where we will explain the concept behind our design and the process of creating it.
This is our symbol. At first glance, it looks like a pie, but it is actually inspired by math. We call this a pie chart because it symbolizes the pieces of gathered data. Every part inside the pie holds great meaning. Inspired by a baked treat called pie tart, it's a creative combination of math, time, and direction. The pie represents the mathematical constant pi, known as 3.4. Instead of the usual pi symbol, we use an actual pie to make it more creative. We blended the compass into the pie because math isn't just about numbers on paper. Math can be everywhere. The compass shows directions and involve angles and bends. The clock or time element represents every hour, minute, and second used on a clock, which is a product of math. This helps us manage time for school, work, and other activities. By this symbol, the pie, compass, and clock remind us that math is everywhere and integrated into our daily lives. From calculating time to finding direction and exploring the never-ending mystery of pi, math is the invisible string that connects it all.